everybody. Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. We are at Indy for Cleetus and Cars.
And we've got some top alcohol dragsters. Actually, those are the top alcohol funny cars racing.
And we're getting ready for the streetcar shootout. And yeah, that's what I'm getting ready for. So I haven't been here in a year. So we're gonna see how SoccerMom's new Texas Speed 388 handles this track. Kind of got our back down a little bit, but more than we had in it at Bristol. So hopefully everything works out all right. But I'm lined up with Tom Bailey right now. Like, Tom's super cool, world's fastest street car. And that's another one of the streetcar competitors. And then a whole bunch of other people testing and tuning. So let's make a run and see what happens. Well, we are up in the lanes, running against what looks like to be a pretty fast Mustang. Tom wanted to go down the track by himself. So, we've got a side view camera, we got this one, and we got one under the car.
Alright, so the track is prepped. There's a little water down the water box.
Alright, here we go.
Kevin went 745 at 193. Damn! I think that's the fastest mile an hour he's gone in that car.
That's how we want to start the day. I will take that for a first run. Woo! Alright, let's see what SoccerMom ran on our test lick. Thank you, ma'am. Ooh, 745 at 193. Woo, buddy. I will take them numbers. Oh yeah, I gotta have the ignition on.
Okay.
All right, well, we're lined up for first round.
707.
We got Cooper first round.
209.
All right, well, we got Cooper first round. Here goes nothing.
Okay, so we got Kevin, first round of the streetcar shootout against Cooper Spaghetti. Put down a bunch of smoke, but we got the win. 756 at 174 for us. He must have let out of it because we normally get, last run was 20 mile an hour more.
All right, left a little early, can see Cooper in the mirror. So, round one done. All right, well, we cut a fuel line on that last run. Had a huge thrash to get it fixed, just barely made the call. Hopefully it works. Woo. On my video today, just been hectic with getting the car fixed and all that fun stuff, but got that purple 240. He's a 5.3 turbo car. We're a Texas Speed 388 powered 79 Camaro called SoccerMom. They're spraying the track right now, and hopefully we can make it past this round, and then we would have James in the finals. And it takes me a little bit of time to turn around. James has a bye into the finals, so his car will be nice and cool, and we won't be cool, which probably isn't going to be ideal, but first we've got to make it to the finals. So yeah, there goes the sprayer machine. Put a little extra glue for us, or maybe not. Maybe I don't get extra glue. Oh shoot, time to go.
Okay, we got the semifinals. Kevin versus 240. Come on. Woo! 747 at 192. Nice. nice. Back of that, 190 mile an hour trap speed. Sweet. On to the finals against McFlurry. Kevin in SoccerMom against James and McFlurry. Yes! Yes! 751 at 191 versus 760 at 178. Yes! Let's go!
I got a head gasket, but
I think I got something too.
like I think it was probably pretty close.
It was. It was only a car.
Was it? Yeah, because this thing wasn't going anywhere with the freaking 170 degrees to start the run. We need a transmission cooler bad. That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Now I gotta freaking put head gaskets in this thing.
That's quarter-mile racing for you.
Yeah. Dang it. Oh well. That was cool. At least we made the finals. This thing, like, battery's dead in it because it threw the alternator belt off last run. So I'm like just hoping it would. I'm like, if this thing will go, make one trip, we're good.
Voltage just to go down the
Yep. I'm like, give me just. It can be 12 at the finish line. Just have some bolts. All right, well, in the chaos to get to the last run, like we didn't get the battery fully charged, like, so the thing's dead. I think I possibly got a head gasket because I saw a little bit of water come out of the front fender right up there at the very top of the run, but we won, woo! And I'm getting a push from the track crew back up to the burnout pad where we're gonna do a little celebrating. I was hoping to do a burnout in the burnout pad, but I can't because the car won't crank. It doesn't have enough battery. But SoccerMom gets a W in the street car shootout. Woo!
What about all the internet people? Let's hear it. Let's hear it for Kevin. He's gonna pull up, Kevin. I can't stand that close to the speakers. All right, let's hear it for Kevin Smith. Big trophy, dude. How did you feel? That's pretty close race. Very close race. So 3 minutes was a little warmer. We had hot landed. Off the air belt flew off 2 minutes ago. So battery dead. So I won't break. I had some too, but that's why I was scrambling to make sure I stayed in. James, it's pretty awesome that me and Jim got to race in the finals. I think all of you guys are coming out like this is absolutely amazing. Like you guys are awesome. Come on here. Alright guys, Kevin Smith, congrats. There's your trophy. Take your podcast, so we'll see how the Burnout looks, and looking forward to seeing what you got going. Alright guys, stand by for just a minute, we'll get this thing kicked off.
Oh, hell yeah.